டைரக்டாக பப்ளிக் தான். Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor Neet Academy. In our academy, we are giving crash course for Neet examination as well as one-to-one teaching also taking place for CBSE students plus 2 as well as plus 1. If you are interested, you can join in our academy. Okay. So as usual, we are doing every day 7 problems in each and every chapter. So morning we are giving questions, afternoon we are giving solution to that question. Okay. So today I am going to give 7 problems in ionic equilibrium chapter. Can you go? So this is a very important lesson, ionic equilibrium. We have equilibrium as you in your lesson, but I split it into ionic equilibrium as well as chemical equilibrium. Ionic equilibrium I am going to give 7 sums as well as chemical equilibrium I am going to give 7 sums. Understood? Now see the first sum problem in ionic equilibrium, that is the conjugate base of H2PO4 minus is, you know that acid and bases we have three kinds of theory. Arrhenius concept of theory, as well as Laurie-Bronsted theory, then Lewis acid theory. So this is based on Laurie-Bronsted theory. She is saying acid means proton donor, base means what? Proton acceptor. Okay. So this and all you should know. Okay. Now see that what's the question means, conjugate base of H2PO4 minus. So if you want to find out conjugate base means, I have given one hint for that. How to find conjugate acid, how to find conjugate base means, see, to find conjugate acid, you add H plus ion to the species. Understood? As well as if you want to find out conjugate base means to remove H plus ion from the given species. Understood? Here they are asking to find out only conjugate base of H2PO4 minus. So conjugate base means, see that, remove one H plus ion. See, if you remove one H plus ion from this, what happens? If you remove one H plus ion from this means what? We get what? Only if we remove H plus ions, we get HPO4. Understood? PO4. Then already one minus is there, no? So here one more minus will come. That is 2 minus. Understood? Are you following? If you want to find out conjugate base means to remove one H plus ion. This is a formula. This is a hint for that. If you know this, you can be able to find it easily. So if you remove H plus ion, that's a conjugate base. Okay. So among this, D is the correct answer. Are you following? Again, if you want to remove or if you want to find out the conjugate base of this one means, again if you want to remove. If remove means what? It will be what? If remove H plus ion, we get what? PO4. Already 2 minus means it will be what? 3 minus, like that goes on. Understood? So minus, here 2 minus, here 3 minus. Understood? So just remember this one. If you remember this hint means you can use to find out. Understood? Okay. Now see the next one. See that the solubility of AgCl solid with solubility product is 1.6 into 10 power minus 10 in 0.1 molarity NaCl solution would be. Okay, they are asking to find out only solubility. Solubility means here simply we can write S. Okay, solubility product means what? We can say what? KSP. Solubility product means what? KSP. Okay, this is a symbol. Okay, suppose here we have two solutions. One is AgCl in 0.1 molarity NaCl solution. Okay, so here NaCl also producing Cl minus ion, AgCl also producing Cl minus ion. Okay, here in NaCl, Cl minus N concentration is what? 0.1. Understood? Then you know that a solubility product means AgCl is split into Ag plus and Cl minus. Now we can write means this is called S. This is also S. Understood? Okay. So if you want to write KSP means what? KSP means solubility product. Understood? Product of this. Okay. So this is what? S. When you write the chloride concentration means here also S is there. Here the sodium chloride also producing Cl minus ion. So you should add S plus this is what? S plus 0.1. Understood? This is a solubility product. Okay, just multiply the solubility is called solubility product. Understood? Now you know that S into S, you know, S square. Again S into this one, we have 0.1. Yes, understood? Okay. See, concentration is, you know, solubility concentration is 0.1. So then only we can omit S square because when compared to 1, S is very very small. So we can omit or we can neglect the S square. S square is neglected. Understood? Okay. When compared to 1, the S value is very very small because 0.1. S is that is very very small when compared to. Okay. Then only we are neglecting the S square. We can consider only this value. Okay. Therefore 0.1 only we can consider. Yes. Okay. Left hand side, you know, KSP. Are you following? Okay. Now see the question. Solubility product is how much? 1.6 in 10 power minus 10. So 1.6 into 10 power minus 10 is equal to what? 0.1. Yes. Our aim is to find out only the S value. Understood? S only we have to find out. Okay. Therefore S is equal what? You know, when it come to this side, what happened? You know, you can understood. 0.1. When it goes numerator, 10 power 1. So minus 10 plus 1, it will be automatically what? 10 power minus 9. So answer will be what? B is the correct option. Are you following? This is a final solution. Therefore S is equal to, you know, this answer. Understood? Are you following? Only one thing you remember. Sometimes they will give only AgCl. Okay, are you following? So only AgCl means we can find out directly, but AgCl in sodium chloride solution means then only we should add. Okay, S plus 0.1 solution. So when S into S, S square, S into this one, 0.1 S. So when compared to 1, S is very very small, then only we are neglecting that one. This one is there. Therefore S is equal to, when 0.1 comes to denominator, you know that when you simplify, we get this answer. Are you following? Okay. Now next one. So here, you know that, so we have based on pH, we have so many formulas are there. General formula, you know, pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Okay. So likewise here, then if only pH means negative log of H plus concentration. Okay. Only pOH means negative log of OH minus ion concentration. Okay. But in these sums, they are asking if pH of a saturated solution of base